Namaskar, my dear divine family. I am Shweta Agarwal, a quantum therapist, spiritual mentor, a Mokshpat expert, and the founder of Transcending Beliefs. Welcome to the Navratri within 9 nights, 9 transformations. Today is day 8 of Navratri, and today we worship Mahagauri, the goddess of purity, peace, and renewal. Clad in white, riding a bull, she radiates calmness and serenity. Her energy cleanses us of the past and restores us to our natural state of innocence and grace. In the journey of life, Mahagauri comes as a healer and renewer. There are phases in our lives when, after trials and transformations, we return to simplicity and wisdom. In such situations, Devi Mahagauri gives us the gentle reminder that after every storm comes peace. After every struggle comes clarity. Her energy teaches us forgiveness, release, and the power of starting again with a clean heart. In life, many of us carry burdens, guilt, regrets, or the weight of the unresolved conflicts. Mahagauri teaches us that letting go is not a weakness, it is liberation. When you think about her, she tells you, release the past. Purity is not perfection. It is returning to your true essence. So let's take out a minute and connect to the energies of Mahagauri. Find a comfortable place to sit in. Now close your eyes. Take a soft, deep breath and exhale gently. Fall into the rhythm of soft, gentle breathing for the next few moments. Visualize a white lotus blooming in your heart, spreading calm light through your entire being. Allow this calmness to spread across from within your body to out into the world. And as you spread this calmness around, affirm to yourself, I release, I forgive, I am at peace. I release, I forgive, I am at peace. I release, I forgive, I am at peace. As these words echo in your auric field and every fiber of your being, choose to come back into your realities and open your eyes to a world of beauty and serenity. As you move through the day, let Devi Mahagauri's energy wash over you. Allow yourself to let go of old pain and step into renewal. Tomorrow, we meet Devi Siddhidatri, so don't forget to join in. Until we meet, take care, stay safe, blessed be